Hello everyone, welcome back in a new video. In this video I'll show you how to enable user registration in Classima listing website which is built with the Classima theme. After importing the demo, this is the first look of the website. If you go to the My Account page, from the right side click on just user icon. This is the My Account page and it shows only login form, user login form. Now I want to show the user registration form as well. So very first I have to log in the site as an admin, then we have to configure it in two steps. So log in the website as an admin and go to the admin dashboard. Just hover over on this site name and click on dashboard. Very first step, hover over on settings and click on general. Then membership, anyone can user, you have to check this box. Then scroll down and save changes. Step 2, we have to enable another option from the Classima listing plugin. So hover over on Classima listings and click on settings. Navigate to the accounts and policy tab. Very first it shows account creation and check this box. Scroll down and save changes. Now let's check with another browser our user registration form enable or not. So copy this site URL and open with another browser. Go to the My Account page. Yes, you can see login and registration form are showing. You can see login and registrations are showing in a same page. If you want, then you can separate it. So again go to the admin dashboard and navigate to the account and policy tab. Then you can see separate registration form. If you want to separate login and registration form, then check this box, scroll down and save changes. Again go to the My Account page as a visitor or logout user. So refresh this page. Yes, you can see it shows a login form. If you click on this register, then the registration form will show here. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos on WordPress.